Hey guys, we're going to Richmond today. We're going to take you guys along on the journey, and we are very excited.
We'll take you guys to a few local spots that we like to go to. Some locals' favorites, I guess, or off the beaten path fun stuff.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a fun 24 hours.
24 hours in Richmond.
24 hours in Richmond.
Now. No, you're supposed to.
Going now. Ow! Oh, I, like, jammed right there.
To see my friends and eat a lot of french fries today. I will sit up here and reject my bed. This is my moment to shine. And this food smells amazing. Mom and Dad will give me my food and I will do whatever the hell I want down there. If you have any problem with that, please subscribe.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. What are you doing? Dad,
We just made it to Richmond.
Woo!
First stop is going to be coffee at Blanchard's Moore Street, which is where our best friends work.
Yep.
Looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken.
We're literally parked on the sidewalk. I don't think you're supposed to park on the sidewalk. Do you want me to parallel park the car?
Cause my time is running out.
Step 2. It's working.
Look at that. Just look at it.
Good job, bud.
Someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older, I can see it all clear from above. Looking back on it all, maybe I can see what was broken.
We're at the Playhouse where they get free mimosas.
They give us free mimosas. There's little tables that you can like make terrariums. And this place is literally heaven. The people are the nicest people ever. Of course. You guys can even tag her on Instagram. She has an Instagram.
Let me get the phone. And I got these. Are these okay for honey?
Yes!
You can do like you say choo-choo, she'll slap you in her nose.
She knows like, yeah, she'll like boop your finger.
Stop.
Yeah.
She knows
Oh, she did her paw?
Yeah. Honey, you have to sit down.
It's the smallest little paw underneath all the fluff.
We can buy more.
She's literally living the dream.
Oh my god! She is so cute.
My dog could never.
That pizza's for you. This one's for me.
Tell me what you got.
What you want? What you really want? I got lemonade and a slice of cheese.
Wow. Delish. Everyone's got to take their pictures. Oh, this looks so good.
Look at that. It's so good.
Really spicy warrior mushroom taco, and then a chicken taco. It's so spicy.
Breathing fire.
We're all sweating here. Take snapshot.
Probably see you tomorrow.
Bye, love you.
I'll stop by before we head out. That's a start.
No, you do it too.
I regret nothing. I regret
nothing.
Hey guys.
Hey.
We are going to be setting up the car. We're in a Kroger parking lot, and then after we set up, we're going to be going somewhere else to camp out. So we'll do a little bit of urban camping in the
Urban
car.
stealth camping.
Urban stealth camping.
Our first night ever doing it.
I think we've done it before, haven't we?
No, we haven't done it in a city before.
Oh, okay. So we'll be doing that. We are getting down to kind of the rhythms of things you gotta do, you know. So went to Kroger, got some food.
Took a potty break.
Took a potty break. And now we're gonna set up the bed, and then we're gonna drive over to where we're camping out.
We're gonna scope out our spot beforehand.
Yeah, we found a really nice, safe spot. So well lit. So we're gonna be going over there and get it set up here, and then go over there. So we're excited.
Yeah, I'm excited to sleep.
Yeah, me too.
It's been a fun, long day.
It has been fun, and it's been long. So and it's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. But
all right, we are gonna go set up our bed, and then we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Oh. we had a good night's sleep. It was really good. We actually went and stealth camped in the Prius last night. We did have the AC running because it was kind of hot.
Like 86 degrees.
Yeah. So we had the AC running all night, which it's fine. We did a timer to see. It was around between turned on for 30 seconds. The engine turned on for 30 seconds every 15 to 20 minutes. You can't even hear it with the windows shut. You can't even hear the engine turn on. So you just sleep throughout the night. It's fine. Actually, in order to stealth camp, one of the things that we always do is we set up in one location and then we'll drive over to the second location. That way the people at the second location doesn't know we're stealth camping, and no one bothers you and no one thinks you're sleeping in a Prius.
It's just to be safe, like it's just to be safe, to make sure nobody's following you, like you don't seem like vulnerable. I mean, I slept pretty great last night. Did you sleep good?
I slept great last night. It was really good. We had the fan on 1 and we had the temperature at 68, and it was really nice. Heard the birds in the morning and got up at 7:30 and got packed up enough that we could just have the 2 front seats ready to go, and that way we can just drive away. And now we're at Kroger and we're gonna put everything back together again. So
we are gonna deconstruct the car, and then we are gonna go get some pastries.
Yes. From
one of our favorite places here in Richmond, Sub Rosa.
Very excited about that.
And then probably coffee, because we need coffee. And we'll probably get that from Blanchard's, because we love Blanchard's.
Exactly. Anyway, we'll catch you later.
Bye. Breakfast and pastries from Sub Rosa Bakery.
It was very, very good.
Very delicious.
Salami and cheese croissant, and then what was the other one?
We got the scallion and cheese quiche and a seeded braid and a chocolate blueberry croissant.
We're saving that for dessert for breakfast.
Yeah, because we definitely ordered way too much, but
it was good.
I mean, it's a day to treat yourself, right? It's good. Happy Sunday. So, funny story. I was waiting for our order at Sub Rosa, and we saw one of our favorite journalists. Well, I saw them, and I texted Corey and I said, "Hey, he's here." And Corey was like, he got out of the car and started walking to me with the dog, and he said, "Where is he?" And he was just fanboying really hard.
Johnny Harris is the man. He makes the great videos on YouTube.
Yes, very intelligent person.
He's very intelligent, and he has a great journalist. So.
Corey's heart is still racing.
It was very exciting. So I grabbed Lizzie's purse and honey, and I ran out of the car, and I missed him. But I was just gonna tell him I really enjoy the content he makes, so that's it.
Yeah, but we didn't want to be creepy.
Yeah, that's very true.
I understand the introvert battle. So, anyway, we just got our coffee also from Blanchard's one more time. I got a Dark and Stormy, which is one of their new drinks, which is really delicious. Corey got his
black coffee with oat milk and 2 sugars.
Yeah, it's always a black coffee, even though it's not black coffee. Anyway, we are gonna go back to Plant House, which is where we went yesterday, and buy a little plant, and then see what we can do from there.
Sounds good.
See you there. Thank you. Yes, of course. We bought some little plants that are hiding back there. Corey got a banana plant. I got a pink lady peperomia.
I got a baby banana plant, and I'm very excited because it's supposed to have the mini bananas that are very sweet. So however many long years it will take to get it going, we'll see. But very excited because I had one of those in Florida and it's still growing, and now it has like 3 or 4 babies around it as well. So we'll see.
And we are so excited. The people at the plant house are so nice. They're so cute. There's this one girl there that like really loves honey, and she was saying that this morning, because we went there yesterday. She was saying this morning like, oh, I wish honey would come by, and then we literally just showed up today. So that was fun. It's cool that they let dogs in there. And another really cool thing that I wish we had a chance to do is they have little stations where you can make your own terrarium and plant your own plants in little glass houses. And they have literally like so many different kinds of plants everywhere. It's awesome. But now I think we are gonna go say bye to our best friend Storm at her work and maybe get some coffee and some lunch, and then that will conclude our time in Richmond. We'll see you later.